It's hard because all my stuff is exciting.
Isn't it? You got all the big stuff.
Now, I don't very often grab train stuff.
You rarely grab train stuff.
But I have the beach boxes like home.
Oh, you like that?
Yes. Reminded me of home. And
Right.
I opened the box and they're not in there. But nonetheless, young Finley did word me up on what it is.
Excellent. So this is a train set.
A train set from Graham Farish.
Right. So it gives you everything inside.
Can we call it Barkman N scale?
You can, because
We
Graham
can.
Farish is a branding of Barkman. Barkman is better known for the branch line stuff, which is HO scale,
HO.
but this is an N scale. And there's not many
N-scale.
N scale sets around. You know,
No.
if you get Kato, then Kato is all Japanese stuff, right?
Yes.
This is English stuff.
Yes. This is English stuff. South English. And that's why they've got the beach boxes near the beach. South English.
What do you mean? Is it Brighton?
So this is, I don't know the suburb, but yes, I want to say Brighton. It's like Brighton, both Brightons.
Oh,
What have you got there? It's white.
all right. So you got a loco.
So here we have a loco, and it's
So-
a beautiful N-class loco. It's a 260.
260. So you got 2 steering wheels.
2 steering wheels, 6 driving wheels,
Yep.
and O rear wheels.
Oh, rear ones.
Yep.
Okay, and then a tender.
And a tender
Right.
to see the fire goes really strong.
Right.
And that is commonly referred to as the Mogul.
As the Mogul.
Yeah, the N-class Mogul.
So
yeah,
what have we got
and
here?
that was a mixed traffic. So we've got some passenger carriages.
Nice.
And it was built by the SECR.
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 Right.
And this train went all the way until the end of steam. So all the way until the mid to late 60s.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yep. And it is in the Southern English green colour.
Right.
So it really pops.
Doesn't it?
Yep. Southern Rails green.
So I've got a nice simple controller right here.
Yes. Got the controller.
Got all the track.
Got a little track.
So it's a little oval because you got some straights here.
Yep.
And then you got your power supply there.
Power supply. Got your track clips. All your bits and pieces.
Right.
So you can effectively walk in and walk out with a train set. Now, you're going to ask me, how much space do I need for that?
How much space do I need for that?
I don't know.
Oh, so that's what you're checking.
know. That, I don't know.
Doesn't it say? It'll say on the back.
Well,
It'll say on the back for
by
sure.
the time I'm doing this.
All right. So we got this thing.
No.
Doesn't it?
Anyway, you need that much space.
Well, the curves are like this, right? So I reckon
It'll fit on a
it'll fit on this table. Absolutely no problem.
Absolutely. Easy. So if you were looking at getting a little N scale train set, I would look no further than this one.
Really nice because the great thing about steam trains is you got all the conrods and stuff that move around.
Yeah.
Makes it look really interesting.
But I can tell you from my expertise, it doesn't come with the beach boxes.
Doesn't it?
No.
You researched.
Yep.